All right, hello and welcome to my self-evaluation of my website that I created this month. And first thing I have to say about building the website itself is I like when I first heard I'd be like building my own website, I got kind of nervous because I'd previously in high school I'd taken some short like HTML coding classes where we'd like build our own little websites and like with actual coding, and so that was my only experience with building websites. So I was worried it was going to be something like that, but it was actually really easy. And building it, I like if I based on what it looks like, I like the simplicity of the look. I chose this template just because how simple everything looks. It's all presented in front of you nicely. I put the pictures that I've taken just random pictures that I've taken that I liked it as backgrounds, and I like the way they all look. But in terms of feedback that I've gotten, I've made this picture on my about screen bigger because it was originally at the top and a little small and hard to see. But on some of my pages, such as my contact page, because of how bright the picture was in the background, like other pages that were too dark, like right here, this get in touch used to be white, which made it hard to read, and this text was smaller, so I made text bigger and I changed the color of some text to make it more readable. And that's pretty much it in terms of feedback, just moving stuff around, making stuff a little bit more readable, and that's pretty much all it is in terms of feedback. Yeah, but in my about page, again I made this bigger, more readable, because it used to be small and you didn't have to scroll to read through all of it, and I thought it was too small, and other people did too. And if I was able to give myself a grade on how I did on all of it, at first, I underestimated myself just because initially I thought it was going to be like coding, like actual, like doing all that hard stuff, but it wasn't. And based on how it came out, I'd probably give myself like a 90 or a 95. Not 100% just because the initial underestimation, but yeah, I enjoyed making my website and I thought it was pretty fun.